Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what actually matters, the account and client. Sign in and grant the permissions the app requests so features work. Once done, check that you have about 1-2 GB free RAM and a stable 5+ Mbps connection. This prevents lag during the first raid. Make sure to enable microphone and notifications for team coordination. Now open the Do Raid interface, choose your initial raid slot, and press Join to start the sequence. Don't linger on menus. You move into the meat of the raid by assigning roles and confirming loadouts so everyone knows responsibilities. Once roles are locked, watch spawn windows and cooldowns closely. Timing determines whether you succeed. Make sure to set phase markers and callouts in chat and use ping hotkeys to highlight targets. If someone falls behind, redistribute consumables and ask for a revive plan. Keep your pace steady. Adapt tactics when phases shift so you conserve resources and maintain pressure throughout the encounter. You close the raid by coordinating a final burst and securing objectives while protecting carry players. Collect rewards promptly to avoid timeouts. Once complete, save session logs and review performance metrics so you can tweak gear and tactics for the next run. If something goes wrong, restart the client first, then check your network and clear cache. These quick fixes resolve most sync or UI issues. If problems persist, reproduce the error and capture a short clip to report with exact steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.